Everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the elephant's ear plants. I have them in my backyard, and from experience I just want to share a few tips which may be helpful if you're thinking of finding a perennial plant to buy in Texas. So these plants thrive in warm, humid climates and making them a great fit of much of Texas climate. They do particularly well in areas with mild winters, hot and moist summers. With regards to their soil and water needs, these plants prefer very well drained, fertile soil and need consistent moisture. In Texas, where summer heat can be so intense, regular watering is essential, especially in drier regions. Mulching can help to retain moisture. In our backyard in particular, the soil is quite fertile. It's called the clay soil, and it retains moisture for a long time. And this plant gets dormant in winter and then comes back in spring. So this is springtime. It is sprung and the sprouts have shoot up. So as you can see from the previous picture, it showed how it was in the midsummer. It was very big, but when winter came, it just died and now it's back again. So as of the light requirements, this plant doesn't need so much light, but on ours it's not under shade, so it tends to be a faded green or yellowish color when the heat is so much. Because in Texas, it can get to, Texas where I live, it can get to 109 Fahrenheit at times, which can be so intense. So it needs protecting from scorching. And they are also cold sensitivity. They are sensitive to very cold temperatures. So the one that we normally put in pots, we take them to the garage so that they can survive throughout the winter. And the one outside, we just leave it to die and until it comes back. So if your plants are in pots, so it's best to put them in the garage so that when this winter time ends, you can put them out again and then they continue surviving in that kind of weather. And as far as pests and diseases are concerned, the resistance, they are generally a hardy and they are prone to pests like aphid and diseases such as fungal leaf spots. So it doesn't really get affected that much with pests and diseases. So you can just be monitoring them and make sure that you help manage those kind of issues. And this elephant's ear give a scent of ornament value. The last thing I'm going to talk about is the maintenance tips. I'll just say regular fertilizing and watering and pruning leaves is essential to keep the leaves thriving and healthy. And also planting them in pots will be a great choice, as you will be able to manage the growing environment, unlike when they are in the ground like ours, where when the winter comes you can't move them, they get stuck in one place and then you end up losing them. So you can actually put them indoors to add a beauty in your houses if you can move them. So like I did, those two I'm watering right now. I just uprooted them from the main spot where the elephant ear is. So I may put those two at the front or even indoors, and take them out for some sunlight, maybe a few times a week, for them to get some sunlight. Other than that, that's it, and thank you so much for watching.